Hello, this is Monica Semyonova and welcome to the Eatglobe newsroom in Varna. All of us who are ethically aware want to make sure that the products we buy from our grocery stores are delivered from producers and farmers who received a fair amount of money for the work they've put into getting the product to our table. This is exactly what the Fair Trade Certification program aims to do by providing better trade offers and reducing poverty in the developing countries. Most often, we buy coffee which is certified as a fair trade. However, evidence is showing that little or no money actually reach the producers, as all of the money are actually spread across the middlemen who get the coffee from the producers and give it to our grocery stores. This inspired the German startup company Bonaverde, and they set on a mission to change how coffee is traded and enjoyed. They made a coffee machine which connects consumers directly with small producers via an online platform. This way, the coffee makers can actually decide on what price they want to sell their coffee, but the company ensures that they receive a minimum 30% above the usual fair trade price. The Bonaverde machine also roasts, grinds and brews the coffee, which means that this machine combines everything that the green coffee beans must go through before actually ending to our cup. The machine also has a Wi-Fi, iBeacon and cellular, which recognizes the consumer's phone and connects them to the coffee cloud, which is full of pictures and description of different coffee beans. The machine also has a smart reader, which reads the packaging of the coffee and sees what is the optimal profile to roast the coffee beans. The machine is currently available for pre-purchase and it will be delivered in the middle of 2016. We're quite curious to find out whether the machine will indeed change how coffee is traded, and with it, probably many other products. This was all for today, but if you're curious to read about the news, please visit eatglobe.com. Thank you for watching.